Oh, hi. Yeah, welcome. Come on in. Yeah, take a seat. Yeah. So tell me, how have you been? Okay. Yeah, just let's do a little bit of a recap because last time you were here, you were complaining that you couldn't really see much into the future, that things weren't very clear for you. And so I had my flashlight and I kind of looked into your eyes and we saw, remember, there were two things that were blocking your vision to be able to see the future. Do you remember what those were? Yes, denial was one and debt was the other. So tell me, after you got home and you started looking at everything, did you agree with me? Like just be honest. Do you have a lot of debt? Is that kind of what's going on? Okay, so when you were working with your money coach, he kind of helped you realize that you actually have a lot of debt? Okay. So you know I'm more of a medical doctor, but how much debt do you really have? Okay, $40,000. All right. You know, sadly, that's, I think, pretty much what most people have on average. I mean, it varies, but quite a few people have debt. And you were clearly in denial about that debt, weren't you? I mean, you couldn't really see it. So how does it make you feel now that you're able to see all of that debt? Yeah. So is your money coach helping you determine like how you're going to get that paid down? Tell me just a little bit about that. Okay. Very good. A little bit at a time, maybe next year in 2025. Okay. Very good. Oh, okay. So he said you don't have a very realistic vision for the future. Okay. But you talked to him about the debt. That's good. Did he help you determine what you could do more realistically, like how much money you have extra going on and how you can apply that to the debt? Okay. And if you don't mind me asking, how many years will it take you to get that paid down? 3. Okay. Well, did he mention that you don't want to add more debt to it? Obviously. Yeah, because you have to get your spending under control first, right? Okay, so it wasn't very realistic. What about the flexibility? Did he talk to you about your budget at all? Going into 2025, like, is it going to be very flexible? Like, what's going on there? Okay, very good. So last time, obviously, we looked at your eyes and they were clearly, we had our denial and we had our debt going on. But do you have anything you need for me to look at today? Are you doing okay? Okay, your ears. Okay, tell me, what's going on with your ears? Okay, well, let me just take a minute. Should probably check those out. Okay, so let me just go ahead and put on these gloves real quick so I can check out your ears and let's see what's going on. I'm just going to get in a little bit closer here, so just let me look into your ears. I just have to make sure I can see it. Hold on a second. Oh yeah, they're a little bit stained. That's not what you think. It's actually just, I was staining my patio. Yeah, it's nothing to be concerned. They're completely clean. Yeah. just look there. Yeah, I'm not really seeing much. Okay. Yeah, your ears look okay, but they are a little dirty. So do you mind if I just take a few minutes and maybe clean them out just a little bit? Yeah, I'm not seeing any denial. I'm not seeing any debt currently. That's more with your vision. But I just need to clean them out a little bit. Okay? All right. So hold on. Okay. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Just see. How's that feel better? Yeah, I see a little bit. Hold on. Okay, yeah. Much better, huh? Let's just go over here. This here. Feel much better? This one's not as clogged up. We're doing good. Okay. All right. Yeah, thank you. So, yeah, your ears are looking much better now. So, I'll just take off these gloves here real quick. Okay. So I think now that last time we checked your eyes and you can see a little bit better, you've got your denial figured out, you're going to be handling that debt that your money coach had talked to you about, and now your ears are all cleaned out as well. So I think that you are pretty good to go. Yeah, how are you feeling? Yeah? Okay. Well, thank you so much for coming in. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let me know if you need some more care, and I'll see you next time. All right. Have a good day.